is Vinay. I welcome you in this series of learning Selenium with Python script. So in last video we saw how to install Python in your Windows system. So now we will see how to configure the installed Python in your Windows system. So first what we will do, we will open one command prompt here. See this, I open my command prompt. I'm typing Python. So you can say it's saying Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means that our Windows system is not recognizing what we installed. So what we need to do, we need to configure the path in our environment variable. We'll go to our property part, advanced system setting, environment variable. So here in system variable, we'll go to path. After this, you can see there are so many paths I have already configured. So after semicolon, I will add another path. So this is our installed directory 34. You can see there is a DLL file, lib file, script file. So I need to copy this path and I need to paste there. Okay. So what I'm gonna to do, I will create Python path here, one environment variable. Okay, like this you can create, and I will select it. Okay. Now I will go there. I will create a separate path for Python directory. So here I'm giving the same name, Python path. Now I paste this 34 DLL. After this I need to paste this lib part also. After this we need to paste the script part. Yeah, this is script. So now I think we are all set. No, there is no need of libs. Okay. So now I will again open my command prompt. We will check whether now we are getting that Python option or not. So Python, enter. Now you can say it's saying Python 343. So it means our window is now recognizing our Python part. So we can check here also 2 plus or something you can type and you can see whether we are getting option or not. So 2 plus 7, 9. So now it's 9. So it's a simple thing, guys. So it means that our Windows system is now recognizing our Python part. So it's all about how to configure a Python software, installed Python software in your Windows system. Thank you for listening, guys. In next video, we will see how we can go in a various IDE part of Python. Thank you.